Welcome to Debt-Free Dreams. Are you looking to transfer your USDT from SafePal to Binance? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to securely transfer USDT from your SafePal wallet to Binance, whether you're using TRC20, ERC20, or BEP-20. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Restoring your SafePal wallet with your seed phrase. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to restore your SafePal wallet using your recovery seed phrase. This is your key to accessing your funds. Here's how. 1. Download the SafePal app if you haven't already. 2. Open the app and select the Restore Wallet option. 3. Enter your 12-word seed phrase correctly. Be sure to enter it exactly as it was given to you. Any error here could result in loss of access to your wallet. 4. Once restored, you'll have access to your USDT stored in SafePal. Step 2. Identifying the correct network for the transfer. Now let's talk about selecting the correct network. USDT is available on several blockchains, including TRC-20 Tron, ERC-20 Ethereum, and BEP-20 Binance Smart Chain. But here's the trick. To avoid losing your funds, always make sure the network you use on SafePal matches the network you select on Binance. Let me show you how to check it on Binance. 1. Go to Deposit in your Binance account. 2. Select USDT and carefully choose the network, either TRC20, ERC20, or BEP-20. 3. Make sure it matches the network your SafePal wallet uses. If you're unsure which one you have, it's usually TRC20 for lower fees. Step 3. How to transfer USDT from SafePal to Binance. Next, we're going to transfer your USDT. Here's how. 1. Open your SafePal wallet app and navigate to your USDT wallet. 2. Select the Send option. 3. Paste the USDT deposit address you copied from Binance. Make sure it's correct and matches the selected network, either TRC-20, ERC-20, or BEP-20. 4. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. 5. Double-check everything, especially the address and network. Then, confirm the transaction. Step 4. Confirming your transaction and waiting for confirmation. Once your transaction is confirmed, the network will process it. Depending on the network, it may take a few minutes to a few hours. Keep an eye on the status by checking your transaction ID. Once the transaction is complete, your USDT will show up in your Binance account. Easy as that. Here are a few important tips to make sure your transfer goes smoothly. 1. Double-check the network. This is the most common mistake. Sending USDT on the wrong network can lead to lost funds. 2. Consider fees. TRC20 has the lowest fees, making it a great choice for cost-efficient transfers. 3. Security. Always make sure your seed phrase is safe and never share it with anyone. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to transfer USDT from SafePal to Binance with the correct network selection. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto tutorials and tips. Drop a comment if you had any questions or need further help.